Conversation 1.
Why did you go home early yesterday?
I left early because I was sick.
Well, since you were not here, I can't pay you.
I understand, although I did work from home.
Oh, you did?
Yes, I could show you my work.
Conversation 2.
I love the spring because the weather's so cool.
I do too, but I don't like rainy weather, and it always rains a lot.
Yeah, and I sometimes get allergies.
Me too, although it hasn't been bad this year.
Yeah, not so much. I think it's because of El Nino.
Maybe, although who knows?
Conversation 3.
Let's go to the store because it closes.
When does it close?
It closes at 10 because it's Sunday.
Let's go then, since it's already 5:30.
Sounds good. Should I drive?
No, I will, since you drive slow.
Conversation 4.
Can I use your iPad?
Yeah, sure. It's over there.
Can I use it to record a short video?
Sure. What are you filming?
Well, even though I am a terrible cook, I'm making a cooking video for my son.
Fun. Since you're doing that, can I be in it too?
Sure, as you wish.